Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanofsettingselfonfire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. All right, I just want to tell you about this great giveaway that we got coming up, and I want to inform you of some of the things that we have coming up on the channel. So stay tuned. But first, this commercial. Hey, have you ever wanted to start a business? Ever ask yourself, exactly what skills do I have so I can generate extra income? Hey guys, congratulations, you are in luck. I have put together a 45-minute plus video showing you how you can become your own cable company. That's right, how to resell. You don't have all of the overhead and all of the upfront money. The only thing you have to do is become a reseller of IPTV. This video lays out the basic principles to get started right away and how you can become a successful reseller. Don't be like the others, just trying things that don't work time and time again, putting money in a bag with a hole in it. This video is really going to show you the important steps of how to get a landing page that convert. Yes, how to get a landing page that convert, and also how to put a payment method on that landing page where you can get paid even as you sleep. Go ahead guys, look into this video. A $75 donation will get you started on becoming a reseller today. Don't sleep on your dreams. Don't be the person that say I shoulda, I woulda, I coulda. This video can help you get started today. It's your boy Taking a Bath though. Peace. Alright, welcome back. Guys, go ahead and check out that video if you're interested in becoming a reseller. Also, check out some of my other videos that's for free. I just did a video on how to start your own LLC. Yes, it's a bit lengthy, like about 20 minutes, but it shows you how you can start an LLC, a limited liability company. Alright, now straight to what I was saying. Upcoming on the channel, I'm going to be doing a review on this battery security camera. At the end of last year, we was talking about security. I'm going to continue that theme. Also going to continue the theme of making sure that you guys become your own boss. The same company that sent us this camera is also going to be sponsoring the giveaway. So shout out to the sponsor of that video. Going to be giving away one of these cameras right here for you guys. So you already know how we do it. I'm going to tell you to comment on a certain video, then we're going to use TubeBuddy and it's going to select someone from that comment. So that's pretty much straight to the point. Be looking out for that. Also, we got a couple of IPTV reviews coming up, and I know what you're saying. Whoa, I hear all of that, Tech. What's going on with your hair? I mean, woo. Hey guys, believe it or not, that I am when I was younger, I was a natural redhead, and me and my wife had a conversation the other day about Kyle Kuzma hair, and I was laughing at it, and she's like, well, I think this will look good on you or whatever. And then, you know, the whole thing about from the beginning to the end, when I was a baby to where I'm at now. I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture somewhere right here so you can see the color of my hair when I was young, and then as I grew up it changed colors, darker and darker over time. And so hey, why not go back to your roots? That's pretty much all we have coming up on the channel. Once again, just stay tuned. More videos showing you guys how to start a business, how to become your own boss, IPTV reviews. Also, we're going to go to security camera theme. Hey, if you want to know how I get my hair so wavy and the products I use and everything to make sure that I stay keeping them seasick, go ahead guys, drop that comment below and I'll try to share with you as much as I could of how I maintain and keep my hair and the products that I use. The number one product that I'm going to revisit, guys, is the cut brush. Yes, the cut brush, and not just the cut brush, but the 4-mask products. Man, they got a pomade. Whoo, I got Cortel. Man, I put that in there, it just lays it down. But it's your boy Taking a Bath. Until next time, those are things that we have coming up. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this, man. Tag somebody in these videos, man. I can't do it without you. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.